Hi everyone, welcome to our SolidWorks tutorial series. Today we'll cover the basics of sketching. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video will get you started on the right foot. Let's dive in. In SolidWorks, sketching is the foundation for creating models. You'll find the sketch tools in the Sketch tab on the Command Manager. Here, you can create 2D sketches on different planes. First, let's create a 2D sketch. Select a plane, like the front plane, and click Sketch. This will open up the sketching environment where we can start drawing. SolidWorks offers a variety of basic sketch tools. Let's start with the Line tool. Click Line, then click and drag in the workspace to draw a line. You can create multiple connected lines by clicking each point where you want a new line segment. Next, the Rectangle tool. Click Rectangle, then click and drag to define the two opposite corners of your rectangle. It's quick and easy. Now let's add a circle. Click the Circle tool, then click to define the center and drag outwards to set the radius. Perfect for creating round features. Lastly, we have the Arc tool. Click Arc, then define the start, end, and the midpoint. This is great for creating curved sections. After creating your shapes, you can refine them using dimensions and constraints. Click on an entity, and you can set its dimensions to exact values. Use constraints to define relationships between entities, like making two lines parallel or two circles concentric. And that's it. You've learned the basics of sketching in SolidWorks. With these tools, you can start creating detailed 2D sketches for your projects. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy designing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more SolidWorks tips and tricks.